How can you lock your screen on iPhone? Let's start by opening the settings page on our iPhone, and then I will click this accessibility option, which should be located right under the General section. Once we get to this page, I'll scroll a bit down towards the bottom of this page, and we're looking for an option that's called Guided Access. And here it is. The Guided Access feature allows us to lock our iPhone's screen to a single app. For example, if you want to lock the YouTube app so your child cannot exit it without entering the passcode which you've set, then you'll want to enable this switch. You'll now have a couple of options appear over your screen, which you can customize related to the feature, such as setting up a passcode and Face ID. And we will use this in order to start and end guided access, and essentially unlock the app later on. I will quickly set up my passcode, and then make sure that the accessibility shortcut is enabled, because we will be triple-clicking our lock button in order to start guided access. Once I've enabled everything in the settings, my job is to open the app which I want to lock. And in this case, that's YouTube. And let's lock the iPhone screen to a single app. All I have to do is to quickly press the lock button 3 times until this guided access screen appears. You'll see a start and cancel button, and you also have the ability to customize some things by clicking on session settings at the bottom. You can select if you want to disable the keyboard when guided access is on. You can disable the use of the volume buttons, touch gestures, and similar things. So customize this to your liking, and then tap the Start button to lock the screen to this app. Enter the passcode which you had set earlier in the settings, and that's it. You can do this to lock the screen in any application. Maybe that's a mobile game app, the YouTube app, TikTok, or any other. It doesn't matter. When you want to unlock your app or your screen, then all you have to do is to triple tap the screen once again, then enter your passcode, and here's the end option at the top left.